Our ambition of using AI not just as a tool, but as a core experience at PhonePe is what Frontier means to us. Payments is not just about a transaction, it unlocks access to financial services and financial inclusion. There's a strong economic angle to it too. The more digital payments get adopted, more financial services open up for the population and it fuels further economic growth. When Samir, Rahul and Burzin started with the idea of PhonePe, India was also very uniquely positioned to build a national scale digital payments platform. We had Aadhaar, which gave a unique online identity to everyone. We had Jandan, which enabled access to a bank account that could be linked to the identity. Mobile internet had leapfrogged in India, so we took that route to digital economy instead of the broadband route that many other economies took. And then we had UPI, a universal access layer that allowed us to build on top of the existing banking ecosystem. Digital public infrastructure, as well as a strong public-private partnership, allowed companies like us to innovate and bring digital payments to the masses. So the idea was to make, at population scale, access to your own funds and the ability to use those funds digitally. We realized that if we could achieve that, you can truly drive a digital economy and as a result expand financial inclusion, which is what we set out to solve. Payments have traditionally been highly utilitarian and for good reason. With AI, it can be a smarter and more intuitive way of getting things done. It can transform how users discover things to do and take them right to the action. It can make the experience intuitive and generate a lot of useful insights on things that you anyways do day to day.
At PhonePe, our principles to use AI or any new technology is an extension of the core values we have always held, being customer first, trust and privacy. With customer first, what we're doing is we always build for the long-term impact of our consumers. It should make access to financial services easy and simple to use. AI is a massive accelerant there. We can now build truly natural search and discovery experience on the app. Users trust us with that financial data. We want to make sure that is safe and the payment experience remains reliable. We also, with emerging technologies, we want to make sure that it works across the set of devices, network conditions that the users use. The core payment experience has to be reliable always. To do this, we are okay not taking a one-size-fits-all solution, which means with Azure, we can work across the stack. We can use Formally Local to deploy SLMs on the device. We can use the hyperscaler to deploy our own models, or we can use the PaaS services, AI Search or GPT APIs on Azure. So the test for any new emerging technology is simple. Does it make access to financial services more natural, easy, and simpler to use for the hundreds of millions of users that we have, even those who are new to digital payments?
It was really exciting to demonstrate and show him the things that we've been working on at PhonePe. We, of course, have a strong partnership with Microsoft. It was also great to hear from him and his team on their and Microsoft's vision and ambition for AI in India and globally.